Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about how to create credit note against sales invoices. So from work menu, we'll click on invoicing. So here you will get the list of all the invoices and credit notes which has been created. So from this button you can create new credit note, and if you come in invoice, then from action tab you can also create new credit note. So there are two options to create new credit notes, but here you will create the credit note from invoicing section. So I'll come back. So I'll click on add new credit note. Now we'll get this kind of display where we need to fill the basic details like customer, credit note reference, credit note date, payment terms, currency, narration. Okay. After filling all the details, we'll click on save changes. Once you click here, our credit note will be created, but still it's in draft mode. Okay. So I'll click here, and in quantity I'll mention 1. In unit I'll select no unit. In details I'll write sales return. In unit price I'll write 50 rupees, but I have to mention in negative. Okay, so here it's mentioned enter discount and credit as negative. Then after I'll select the VAT as applicable. Then after I click on create and finish. So here you can see our credit note. So in draft mode you can edit the credit note and also delete the credit note. Once I click here, so from this option our credit note will be reflect on accounts. Okay, so every time it should be in sent tab. Now if I come in invoicing section, you will see the credit note here, and you can see the status. Okay, open status of both means invoice as well as credit note. The net amount is 1140, but still it has not been allocated against each other. So I'll click on invoice, and from action tab I'll click on apply existing credit note. Once I click here, we'll get this kind of display where I need to mention the amount to be set off against these particular invoices. Okay, so in our case we'll mention 60 rupees. Okay, so there is full settlement of credit note against this invoice. So once you apply the credit note, you will get the credit note details here. Let's go in invoicing section. So here you can see the status of credit note has been changed to applied against invoice, and now in invoice section open value is only 1140. Okay, to unallocate the credit note we'll click here, and we'll click on remove payment. So from here the credit note will be unallocated. Okay, let me show you the difference. So here you can see now status has been changed to open. Okay, now both credit note as well as invoice status has been open. So in this manner you can create credit note and you can allocate the credit note against sales invoices. Thanks for watching.